Welcome to the world's second shortest podcast, Wellbeing Wisdom Tiny Bites, where you get actionable, evidence-based, wagalicious answers to real-world problems in 90 seconds or less. I'm Sandy Weaver. Here's today's Tiny Bite. Do you cry easily? Some people do, and that's okay. Do you hate to cry, especially in front of others? Some people, me included, do, and that's okay too. The focus of my work with people and teams is to help people shift gears in life on purpose, creating a more harmonious, calm, successful, happy life. Banishing negative emotions and teary episodes is not the way to do that. If you need to cry, cry. Don't beat yourself up for crying. It's a sign that you are alive and human, not a sign of weakness of character. Crying releases stress hormones, in addition to making our eyes and noses red, so it's good for us when we let those tears flow. And if you feel like others will look down on you for crying, next time, don't run away to cry. Hugs are an important component in community. So if you're with someone you spend a lot of time with, whether they're coworkers, friends, or family members, know that someone will probably move to comfort you. Let them. We all need a good cry and a good hug now and then. Want more? Come and play in the Wagalicious Life online community playground. Go to wagalicious.life. That's WAGALICIOUS.life. Here's to your success, one tiny bite at a time.